Hello dears, you can find the number 8 entrance or 7 entrance and go straight. Turn right. Go this place. And from here, go upstairs. Take the elevator upstairs. And again, take the elevator upstairs. Go straight. Go to the end of this line. And then you can find the 17.2. Here have some chairs and the desk for rest and lunch. Go, go, go. Here is A, B, and C. And go straight. And I found the HFSecurity booth 17.2C06-05 to test the most popular biometric solutions. Welcome.